how to set different ringtone for a specific context on iPhone. So first thing, just head over to your contacts and just you can search in for your favorite person. And once you find that person, just tap on this edit at the top right corner. So once you select it, you can see when you scroll down, there is an option called ringtone. So just tap on this, and basically from over here, you can simply choose any of the ringtone which you want for your favorite person. And see, once you are satisfied with the ringtone, just click on done. And just like that, you have successfully updated your ringtone for their specific contacts on iPhone.